Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Hockey Ultimate Team error code 90A7B981F67B2ADC 009943988E25F99FBFB43. The error reads, "Failed to retrieve data. Please try again later." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to open the Divisional Fantasy Player pack after completing the fantasy challenges and objectives. According to our research, this is possibly a game-side issue caused by a bug or any server outage. In one case, the base pack in the XP tab showed a 74 rated player that didn't exist, and opening it triggered the error. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your router. Simply turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes and plug it back in and restart the router. Then check for the error. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If any update is available, install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error persists, then try connecting your device to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, then as we said earlier, this may be a server-side issue. You can go to the help.ea.com/en/server status, and if servers are down, we suggest waiting for some time and trying again. If the error continues for too long, then try contacting EA support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.